Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on any Android phone. So this is very easy. Now most of the time you can just open up the camera option right here. Just open this up and then go over the QR code. And then once you're over the QR code with your camera, there should be a little link that pops up right here. And you can just tap it. So on the majority of your phones, that's how it's going to work. Now on other phones, you can just swipe on down from the top. And there should be a widget or a button through here that will have an option for scan QR code. So here is an option right here, scan QR code. We can just tap this and you can see you just have to put this little square over the QR code and there should be a link that pops up and you can just tap it. So that's the second way. Now if you still can't find it on your phone, what you want to do is just swipe down from the top right, go to settings, and there might be an option in here and just type in QR code and that might open up something. So QR code, I don't see anything. Pair device with QR code, pair device with pairing code. So I don't see anything under here really. Now the last way is just go to the Google Play Store, then type in QR code under search, QR code, and there's a bunch of different applications that will do this. So let's go to QR code. And then we can just download one of these. Most of them are good. Just get something with a, here's a good one, QR code scanner without ads. That's probably the best one. Just get this, download it, your account, and install it. So it says I need a credit card. I don't need that, so let's skip. And then just wait for this to install and open it up. Don't allow. And then okay. Well, I need to access the camera, so let's do that. Now I can just scan it with this. And there should be a little QR link that pops up. And then we can just add this to the home screen. It should be on here somewhere, wherever I downloaded it. But another way is, depending on your model phone, it could be like a Xiaomi or an Honor or something like that. Look in the specific location for that folder, wherever it is. So you might have a specific Xiaomi folder. So I don't see anything on my Google phone. Everything is just the same. But on my Samsung, I have specific Samsung folders and stuff. So I can just go on over here, unlock this, and look in those folders. So here's Microsoft. I have a Microsoft folder. There's nothing in there. I have a Google folder. There's no QR code scanners in here. I can look into my Samsung folder. Here's Samsung. And I can just look in these different folders to see if anything says QR. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.